If you're looking for beautiful Easter cross decorations that are simple, meaningful, and budget-friendly, today's DIYs are the perfect projects for celebrating the resurrection season, which is what Easter is all about. Welcome to the Chic Show. The Talented Creators playlist is hosted by DIY with Aria and Lowly D's Creations. I'm going to be using one of these eggs from Dollar Tree. I removed the hanger at the top, and I'm just going to be painting right over the pink with this white paint.
I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing
I'll be using this paint inlay from IOD. It's the Delft Blue from last year, I believe. I'm going to spritz it with water, but it has to be laid down into wet paint. So you give it one coat of paint and let it dry, and your second coat of paint, of chalk paint, needs to be wet when you lay your paint inlay down into it. And you also spritz your paint inlay to wet it a little bit, and also use a damp rag just to press it down into that wet chalk paint. I will then set this aside to dry. It works better for me to leave it overnight. And once it is completely dry, I'll spritz it again with some more water, pat it again with a wet paper towel, and let it sit for about 30 seconds. And then you can peel that paper right away, and your paint inlay will be embedded into that chalk paint. I'll leave that aside to dry before I seal it. Now I'm going to be using one of the cross molds from IOD, and I'm going to paint it black. Once it's dry, I'm going to use some gold rub and buff, and I'm just going to be painting that rub and buff onto the top of the cross, and you can see it is a little bit textured, so that black will show through and make it a little bit more aged and brass-like. I decided to give it a little more depth and brighten it up a little bit with some of this gold acrylic paint.
I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing
I'll be gluing my cross to the center of the egg, but before I do that, I'm going to go around the edges with this gold paint pen. It's usually my favorite gold paint pen, but it was not working as I wanted it to. I think it's about out of paint. So I'm using the gold one that I got from Dollar Tree, and it worked perfectly. Now I'm going to be using some Titebond Quick and Thick and glue my cross to the egg. I'm going to use a brush to brush my glue all the way to the edges so that it won't seep out when I put it down. And I do have too much glue on here, but once I brush it around, I can remove some of it. Added a little bit of lace to the top, and this project is complete.
I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing
Now I'm using a different cross from the cross mold, and I'm using some of Dixie Belle's patina paint. I'm going to give this cross one coat of paint and let it completely dry, and then I'm going to come back with a second coat, and while it's still wet, I'm going to be applying patina spray. I am out of the spray, so I made some of my own using vinegar, salt, and acrylic paint. I put mine in these little spray bottles because I can control a little bit more about where they go, and I'm going to be using a brush to brush them around. I'm using all three colors. You don't have to do this. Each color gives a different reaction, but I'm using all three just to see what happens. And to look at this gorgeous color. I'm going to go back and highlight the details on this cross with gold rub and buff. I have had a set of these in my stash for a long time. They're supposed to stick on something, but I chose to remove the sticky stuff on the back and apply my cross to the front. I'm using some Type Bond Quick and Thick, and I'm trying to apply it exactly where the cross will adhere since there's not a solid surface. And then I will add a wire hanger.
I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing
Cannot take credit for this next project as I have seen Julie's Designs and Signs do this first, but I loved it, so I give her the credit, but it is gorgeous. So I'm using 2 sizes of the crosses from IOD's new molds, and I'm going to be painting them different layers of gold.
I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing
I used a 4-inch canvas from Michaels, and it's the perfect color, so I'm not going to paint it. I'm also using a 6-inch canvas from Michaels. I'm carefully going around the edges with a gold paint pen, and you can make your line as thick or thin as you like. I started out thin, but I did thicken it up, going around the edge a little bit more. I used a combination of Type Bond Quick and Thick and Gorilla Glue, and I just kind of smeared that around with my fingers and then glued it to the center of the canvas. Repeated the same process with the larger cross and the 6-inch canvas.
I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing
I hope these Easter cross DIYs inspire you to create something meaningful for the season. If you enjoyed these projects, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves Christian DIY decor and Easter crafts. Be sure to tune in to your playlist in the description box below, along with our host channels.
any place, you stand beside me and wait.
And you can watch more creative, budget-friendly DIY decor ideas in this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.